Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 5 times y minus 2 equals 28 times y. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. Use the same operation on both sides to keep the equation equal. Subtract 28 times y from both sides to collect the variable terms on the left. That gives negative 23 times y minus 2 equals. Add 2 to both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives negative 23 times y equals 2. The variable coefficient is negative 23. Divide both sides by negative 23 to leave the variable alone. Quick check. Substitute negative 2 over 23 for y. Both sides equal negative 56 over 23, so the equation balances. So, y equals negative 2 over 23.